Stop. Did you know you can schedule a FaceTime call directly from your iPhone? It's perfect for family catch-ups, work meetings, or planning a call in advance. And the best part, people without an iPhone can join too. Let me show you. Open the calendar app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Enter a title for your call. Now choose the date. Then set the time. Next, tap location or video call. Select FaceTime. Now tap Done to save the event. Open the event you just created. Tap the Share button. Choose how you want to send the invitation, messages, mail, or any other sharing app. Then send the invite. Done. Everyone receives a FaceTime link they can join at the scheduled time. And here's something many people don't know. Even if someone doesn't have an iPhone, they can still join your FaceTime call using a web browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. No Apple account required. It's one of the easiest ways to plan video calls with friends, family, or colleagues. Most iPhone users never use this feature. Now you know how.